In this video, you're going to learn how to make a clean and professional business card step by step. So yeah, just follow along with me. First, go ahead and open Canva, and then click right here on the social media section. That's where we'll start our design. Now, in the search bar, just type business card. That will bring up all the templates we can use. You'll see a bunch of business card templates appear here, and you can pick any one that fits your style or your requirements. For example, let's say I want to make a business card for a marketing manager. I'll just type marketing manager in the search bar, and Canva will show me multiple card formats. I can pick any design I like, edit it, and customize it exactly the way I need. You can see there are lots of ready-made templates here, all of them fully customizable. And if you're looking for something more specific, just use the search bar and type the exact category you need. I can change the name easily just by clicking right here and typing in the new one. And to replace the logo, simply click here and upload your own. Basically, with this method, you can edit anything you want. To replace an image, just click on it. You'll see a delete icon up here. Click it, and then choose Delete Image. Now you can add any image you like in its place.